Pwede po. Sige.
Okay. Formalize.
Rabbit dissection by BS Biology major in zoology student from Mindanao State University, Iligan Institute of Technology, Philippines. So let's start first with the muscles in the abdominal wall. So this is the external oblique muscle. And inside, you'll find the internal oblique. This muscle is the transversus abdominis, or simply the transverse muscle. And ventral, you'll find the rectus abdominis. Next, we'll go to the muscles in the chest. So let's start with the pectoralis primus. This is the pectoralis primus. And next to that is the pectoralis major. And inside, you'll find the pectoralis minor. This is the pectoralis minor. And this is the serratus ventralis. This is the scalene muscle. And this muscle is the teres major muscle. The intercostal here. And now let's go to the muscles in the neck and throat. This is the special portion of the platysma here. This is the sternohyoid. And next to that is the sternothyroid. And the sternomastoid inside. This is the basoclavicularis. The cleidomastoid inside. This is the thyrohyoid in here. This is the mylohyoid here. This is the digastric muscle. This is the masseter muscle. The masseter, the rhomboideus capitis. And for the upper arm, this is the triceps brachii. And the triceps brachii has 3 heads. So this is the long head of the triceps brachii. And next to that is the lateral head of the triceps brachii. And inside, you'll find the medial head of the triceps brachii. And this portion is the brachialis. And this is the supraspinatus, the infraspinatus. And this is the subscapularis. This is the rhomboideus muscle. Next, the splenius muscle inside. Splenius muscle. This is the longissimus dorsi. So, this is the latissimus dorsi here. And this part here is the anterior trapezius. This is the petrocliaris. Deltoid muscle. Here. I guess that's all. And for the muscles in the side,
Now we will proceed to the muscles of the thigh. We will start for the dorsal portion. So here is the very obvious muscle, the biceps femoris, this one, and the gluteus maximus, and it's the medius, gluteus medius, and here, this part here, the gluteus maximus, and here we have this is the vastus lateralis and the vastus intermedius, and this is the tensor fascia latae, this muscle here, and for the ventral part we have the gracilis, this muscle, the gracilis, and here we have the adductor magnus, this one, this big muscle here, the adductor magnus, and inside you can find the semitendinosus, this muscle, the semitendinosus, and the semimembranosus, this one, this muscle, the semimembranosus, this one. And we have here the adductor longus, and here we have the vastus medialis, the one that covers the muscles here, the vastus medialis, and inside we can find the rectus femoris and the sartorius muscle. It's here. This is the sartorius muscle. Now for the muscles of the shank, we have the tibialis anterior, this muscle here. This is the tibialis anterior, and we have the gastrocnemius, this muscle here, this muscle here, and underneath that we have the soleus. This is the soleus, and the plantaris, this muscle here. At the lateral side we have the peroneus, this one, this muscle here. This is the peroneus. So that's all.